How you doing? So recently I purchased some upgrades for my Polaris General XP4. I bought A-arms, ball joints, tie rods, and also bought some Shock Therapy dual rate springs for it. Now, when I first went on Shock Therapy's website to see how much these springs were, I was kind of surprised. I mean, my goodness, these things are expensive. Just check out that price. And the first thing I thought was, it's a damn shame that these things are so expensive, and there was no way I was paying that for some coil springs. So about a week later, I heard a knock on the door, went outside to the porch.
Oh, look at that.
My coil springs were here. And they do look good. It comes with the lowers, the tender uppers, the plastic dividers, and also the crossovers. So I got out all my tools and my wrenches and blew this thing apart. And then we got Cub checking out the progress. I got out my girthometer, and the old A-arm is about 1/8 of an inch thinner than the new one. The new A-arms didn't come with bushings, so I went ahead and put those in there. I got the frame brace on the bottom of it. Started putting all the hardware back in, tightened everything up. Now, onto the new springs. So here's the cheap Chinese coil spring compressors I bought, and these things were about as good of an idea as bunk beds. Yeah, not great, but after many profanities,
What's your profanity?
I finally got the old ones off. Now, onto the new ones. I got out my girthometer and I set the ride height. Now, using these coil spring compressors on the new springs was very sketchy. It kept making these creaking sounds and I thought it was going to blow up in my face. But after wrestling with it for way too long, I got it in a chokehold and I got it done. And I took it out to go get an alignment, spent 111 Franklins, and I set the camber at -1 degrees to match the back. So with 32-inch tall tires, I'm sitting at 15 inches of ground clearance in the front, and we got 15 inches in the back. I wanted to do a compression test, so got out my tractor and started making a jump.
like 3 feet of air that time.
Let's test out how much usable suspension travel it has now.
Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
I know